Hi, I'm John Pagano with Forest River Class Cs, and today we're going to talk about the backup monitor right here that you see above your rear view monitor. This feeds from your backup and your side view cameras. You can turn it on or off with the power button, but you can keep this on while you're driving, which is what I love about this feature. Now, if you go over to the select page, it's going to give you a bunch of different options for tri-view, bi-view, or singular view for each camera. That's your driver side camera, passenger side camera. This is showing both a tri-view, which some people like, another option for tri-view, and then your single backup monitor. I like this view because you can see about 4 lanes of traffic, so you can see all of your blind spots when going down the road. Now, the up-down buttons give you the ability to have volume. It's one-way volume from this person outside speaking to the person inside. So I can't speak to that person, they can speak to me. And this would help for maybe tight reversing situations. I always recommend turn this down while you're driving, or else you're gonna hear all of the road noise while you're driving. So put that to 0 when you're in driving. If you ever need it while parking, you can hit the up button. I think opening the windows the old-fashioned way is also an option so you can hear that person. But this is really helpful because now we have a separate monitor from our touchscreen here. So now if we have Apple CarPlay and Android or Android Auto running down here with our GPS, we don't have to toggle back and forth between backup camera and GPS or whatever else it is we're doing down here. We have 2 different systems running at the same time, much like the view would be if you were driving your own vehicle.